Hey everyone, want to make some extra cash in 2025 without spending a single dollar? You're in the right place. Here are 5 side hustles you can start today, for free. First up, user-generated content or UGC. Brands are hungry for content made by real people. All you need is your phone. Film short videos or unboxings. No followers necessary. Just record, upload, and get paid. Next, freelance services on Fiverr or Upwork. Got a skill like writing, editing, or graphic design? List it on Fiverr or Upwork. Start small and scale as you grow. The opportunities are endless. Coming in at number 3, print on demand. Use free Canva templates to design mugs, shirts, and journals. Sell them on Etsy. You only produce when someone buys, no inventory or shipping hassles. It's a low-risk, high-reward gig. Number 4 is a faceless YouTube channel, just like this one. You don't need to show your face to share value. Use tools like InVideo, AI voices, and scripts to create content. Build a channel and watch the income roll in. And finally, digital products. Create budget trackers, resume templates, or planners using Google Docs or Canva. Sell them on Gumroad or Etsy. Once they're made, it's passive income forever. So which one would you try first? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to Know in 5 for fast weekly ideas you can act on. Catch you in the next video.